Imagine turning your everyday drive into something smarter, safer, and way more stylish, without breaking the bank. Whether you're hitting the highway, commuting daily, or just want to elevate your car game, these accessories are here to level up your ride. Today, we're diving into a hand-picked list of game-changing car accessories, from gadgets that boost safety and convenience to lights and upgrades that'll make your car look and feel brand new. And yes, every item mentioned here is linked below, so check the description for the best deals. Ready to upgrade your car? Let's roll. Let's start with a true multitasker, the 15-watt fast-charging auto-clamping phone mount. It's not just a phone holder, it's your personal co-pilot. Just place your phone near it, and it clamps automatically, holding your device firmly even on rough roads. Meanwhile, the 15-watt wireless fast charging keeps your phone powered up during long trips. Whether you're using GPS or taking calls, this keeps your phone secure and charged, all hands-free. A must-have for modern drivers. Check it out in the description. Now, imagine knowing your tire pressure before it becomes a problem. That's exactly what the tire pressure monitoring system does. It displays real-time pressure and temperature data right on your dash. It can save you from unexpected flats, improve fuel efficiency, and even extend your tire life. It's compact, wireless, and incredibly easy to install. Peace of mind, one tire at a time. Link in the description. Safety first, style always. And nothing captures that balance like a 4K dual-dash camera. This camera records crisp front and rear footage, giving you a full view of what's happening around your vehicle. Whether it's an accident, a near miss, or just a scenic drive you want to capture, it's all recorded in stunning clarity. Perfect for insurance claims, road safety, or content creators on the go. Grab yours today. A flat tire can ruin your whole day, but not when you've got a portable tire inflator on hand. Compact and powerful, this air compressor lets you inflate tires wherever you are. It features a digital display, preset pressure options, and even a built-in flashlight for night emergencies. Fits in your trunk or glove box. Say goodbye to gas station stops. Check it out in the link below. Next, let's bring some order to the chaos with a car trunk organizer. Whether you're hauling groceries, tools, or emergency gear, this sturdy organizer keeps everything in place. With multiple compartments and a non-slip base, you'll never hear things rolling around back there again. Foldable, durable, and perfect for any vehicle. Find it in the description. Ready to turn heads? The Underglow multicolored neon light kit will make your car glow like never before. Controlled via Bluetooth, you can choose millions of colors and lighting effects. Whether it's synced to your music or set to pulse under your car, the result is jaw-dropping. Waterproof and long-lasting, it's perfect for night drives and car meets. Light up your ride, link below. Want next-level vehicle security? The GPS Smart Tracker is your secret weapon. Track your vehicle in real time, monitor driving habits, and get alerts instantly. Whether you're keeping tabs on your teen's car or protecting your own from theft, this compact tracker has you covered with pinpoint accuracy and long battery life. Stay protected. Check the description. Snowy weather ahead? Get ahead of it with snow socks for tires. These lightweight, fabric-based alternatives to snow chains are super easy to install and provide excellent grip on icy or snowy roads. They won't damage your tires or rims and are much quieter than metal chains. A must-have for winter drivers. Be winter ready. Link below. Packing for a road trip? You'll love the universal rooftop rack cargo carrier. It frees up tons of space inside your vehicle, making long trips way more comfortable. Whether it's luggage, camping gear, or sports equipment, this rooftop carrier is weatherproof, sturdy, and super easy to mount on most cars and SUVs. Grab one here, or check out the alternative here. Let's head inside the cabin with a touch of glam. The sun visor vanity mirror with LED lights. It's rechargeable and comes with 3 lighting modes to give you perfect lighting every time. Whether it's quick touch-ups or a full-on glow-up, This mirror adds style and function to your drive. Your mobile glam station awaits. Link in description. If your car doesn't have a built-in infotainment system, don't worry. The 7-inch HD portable CarPlay screen has your back. It brings Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to any vehicle. Just plug it in, mount it, and enjoy seamless navigation, calls, music, and voice control without installing anything permanent. It's the perfect dashboard upgrade. Turn your car smart. Check the link. Finally, transform your interior vibes with GovEcar LED strip lights. These customizable LEDs let you set the mood inside your car with dynamic colors and effects. Sync them to music, adjust brightness, and control everything from your phone. Plug and play, and seriously cool. Add some glow to your cabin. Link below. And there you have it. A hand-picked list of smart, stylish, and safety-enhancing car accessories. Whether you're upgrading your daily commute or preparing for a road trip, these tools will keep you connected, organized, and cruising in style. Don't forget, links to everything are down in the description. Check them out for the best prices and deals. Which of these upgrades caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on that bell so you never miss a car gear update. Drive smart, drive safe, drive in style.